Woohoo! Fun expected! Hi there, I'm Aika. Give me 5. Show me your 5 fingers again. Let's do it together. Now bend 1 finger down. How many are left? I have 4. Now from 4 we take away 2. How many do you have left? I have 2. So we had 5. Then we took away 1. And then 2. And now we have 2 left. That's called subtraction.
Ta-da!
And now it's puzzle time. Let's go. There were 5 pencils in the box, then I removed 3. How many pencils are left in the box? How can we figure this out? I'll draw 5 dots. These are all the pencils that were in the box. Now I'll take them out of the box one by one. 1 circle, a yellow pencil. 1 circle, a green pencil. And 1 more, a blue pencil. So how many pencils are left in the box? 2. That's it.
Here's our list of things to do. Bedtime tasks for me and you. Every time a task is gone, that's subtraction going on. First, we brush our teeth so bright. Next, pajamas for the night. 5 to start, now 2 are done. See, subtraction can be fun. Pick a buddy, soft and sweet. Pick your favorite book to read. There were 3, now 2 are done. See, subtraction can be fun. Now there's just one thing to do. Get in bed and listen to bedtime story sounds so right. Tasks are finished, nighty-night. Here's our list of things to do. Bedtime tasks for me and you. Every time a task is gone, that's subtraction going on.
Tap like button under this video and subscribe to Fun Expected Math channel to see more of my videos. See you soon.